Namaskar. Hello friends. Welcome to Tarot by Rachel. Today we are going to talk about the solar eclipse that is on 21st of June. Let us see how this solar eclipse is going to affect our lives. We have already had a lunar eclipse before and we have another lunar eclipse on 5th of July. So let us see first how this solar eclipse is going to affect our lives. सबसे पहले मैं ये बात करूंगी कि इस सोलर एक्लिप्स में आपको क्या प्रिकॉशंस रखने हैं. व्हाट डू यू नीड टू डू ड्यूरिंग दिस सोलर एक्लिप्स. नाउ द सोलर एक्लिप्स इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली एट 9 AM in the morning to लगभग around 1:45 PM. In that period, please don't have anything raw. And secondly, please try to pray as much as you can. This is a period of conflict and strife. This is a period where the whole world is getting so much, is in so much disturbance. So let us please work on our psyche. Let us please work on ourselves. Let us please work on our peace of mind. So we are going to ask Tarot what general precautions we can take in this solar eclipse. Let us see what Tarot is going to tell us. Well, the first card we have is the Three of Wands. Three of Wands tells you that you need to close yourself from all the negativity. Though solar eclipse is a scientific phenomena, but negativity can come from any side. So please control yourself, control your impulses and control your emotions. Most importantly, please don't go outside, both for your physical health and your mental health. Also, most importantly, delay your responses. When we get Three of Wands, it is always about delays. If you're getting irritated on something, delay your response. That is specifically particular to this period, that is on 21st of June. And pray, 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 pray. Please activate your spirituality. आप जो भी पाठ करते हैं उसको करिए 9 बजे से लेकर 1:45 PM तक. I am not expecting you to do all the time, but at least 40 minutes in this period. And let's see what else Tarot is telling us. Well, there will be some people जिनको लगेगा कि they are having some skin issues. So please be careful. Please try to don't have something acidic at this time. Though I usually advise people not to have anything, not to eat anything during the period of eclipse, but even if, because it is a long period and it is during the day, definitely we will have the time for lunch or time for breakfast. So don't have anything acidic. Don't have anything that activates the air energy into you. So it's important to have light foods and have something steamed or boiled that is not very spicy. And also please avoid milk and milk products at that time. So what you can have steamed food or soups. That is the best thing. That is going to create that peace and calm all of us need at this time. That was a general precaution for all the people during the solar eclipse on 21st of June. And let us please pray that this solar eclipse ends all the conflict, strife and disturbance that is happening in the world today. Now we are going to continue. I am going to continue with my reading. I am also going to show you what this solar eclipse is, what effect this solar eclipse is going to have on different zodiac signs. So we are going to start with Aries. Let's see how this solar eclipse is affecting the people who are Aries. Well, the Aries people, please beware. We have the Five of Swords. So avoid open arguments, avoid disagreements, and if you don't like something, please get away from that situation. You may feel irritated all the time. So have water in copper vessel. That is very important. Have warm foods. And don't try to, again, the general prediction, the general precaution for everyone, please don't have acidic foods. That's what is the guidance for Aries for this solar eclipse. Let's see what guidance Tarot is giving for the sun sign, the zodiac sign Taurus. during this solar eclipse? For the Taurians, avoid overeating. Get out of your comfort zone. And you have to let go inactivity. You cannot sit at one place. Please try moving around in the house and take care of not having heavy foods. Specifically for people who've been watching their weight, they need to be very careful with their diet. And most importantly, please don't have wheat during this time, during the solar eclipse, that is from 9 a.m. to 1:45 p.m. This was for Taurians. Let's see what guidance Tarot is giving for the Geminis. Well, Geminis, the guidance for you for the solar eclipse is, we have the sun here. For the Geminis, the solar eclipse is going to be positive. It is going to create a positivity into your life. You may get a revelation, you may have an idea which you will be working on, and also your spirituality will be at all-time high. The only thing you need to take care is your anger. Please don't get angry on small things. Especially Geminis, control your aggression, control your anger during the solar eclipse, that is 21st of June. Well, let us see again. The next sign we have are the Cancerians. What guidance Cancerians what precautions Cancerians need to take care during the solar eclipse? Cancerians, you already are feeling very, very emotional, and this is the time where you will be more emotional, where you will feel more bad. You may have a real show off with someone, so be careful. And your Mars is not doing very good, so you are feeling bad, you feel irritated, you feel unsettled. So especially during this solar eclipse, please avoid arguments, please avoid hasty decisions, and also try not to do something that you don't like. You may get into an argument with someone you don't like. You don't like to go into that argument, but that may happen. But especially for Cancerians, please be careful of arguments and please be careful of hasty decisions. And I would like to give a precaution here: have a red fruit before the solar eclipse, because during the solar eclipse we are not going to have something wrong. So please be careful and take care. Now we are going to go forward with the precautions that different zodiac signs need to take. Let's see what Virgos need to do during this solar eclipse. Sorry, Leos. First, after the Cancerians, we have the Leos. Let's see what Leos need to do during this solar eclipse. Leos already is fire sign. Well, Leos, my God, Leos. This solar eclipse, though it is very, 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 I don't see it as a very positive phenomena, but for Leos, it may be, so this solar eclipse will have positive effect. How? Because your Venus is very good. So you will be pampering yourself, you will be feeling elated, you will be feeling positive. And be at home, spend time with your loved ones, and you will feel that you will be able to connect with your loved ones at an all-time high. So this is a period to nurture your relationships. Nurture yourself, nurture your relationships. That's what the solar eclipse is telling you this time on 21st of June. We come to the Virgos. Oh wow. We have lots and lots of energy here, Virgos. Make a note of what you are eating and when you are eating, because you are having some lifestyle issues during this period for the last say 10-15 days, and specifically this solar eclipse tells you to maintain a balance between your diet and your exercise. So have light foods and pray to the sun god, because the sun god is going to give you whatever you want. Please chant the Surya mantra. You will get it all over the net. Chant the Surya mantra during the solar eclipse to get the blessings of the sun, because sun can really give you the blessings though it is eclipsed, especially for Virgos. Let's see what Tarot has in store for Libras, my sign, during the solar eclipse 21st of June. Libras, you need to work hard. You need to really polish yourself. You need to learn a new skill and you need to connect with the divine. This solar eclipse is going to make you work very hard. And the effect of the solar eclipse on your sign is that you will get that, that feeling and that idea to pay attention to detail. Pay attention to details and see how things work for you. Let's see what Scorpios need to take care, what effect the solar eclipse has on Scorpions. The Scorpios, again, the solar eclipse is positive for you. You may take some important decisions. You may feel that things are going to work for you. You may feel hopeful for certain things, and people will always be very cooperative during the period. So be happy. Just avoid milk and milk products. Dairy products, I have been already talking about it in my previous videos also. We'll be doing a specific video on how our diet is affecting our consciousness, and please look forward for that, and especially for Scorpios. Now we come to the Sagittarians, how this solar eclipse is going to affect the Sagittarians. Well, the Sagittarians here, all the Sagittarians here, please take care of your money. Don't spend more than what you are expected to do, and don't try to get into the spree of buying something impulsively. Money may not stay with you, but this is an ongoing process. Things will become better after 1.5 months. So this solar eclipse is definitely going to drain you financially, Sagittarians. Be careful. Next we come to the next zodiac sign we are going to talk about are the Capricorns. Well, the solar eclipse, here come the Capricorns. You will feel dejected, you will feel fatigued, you will feel tired, you will feel that you've lost all hope. But that is not the case. You have this solar eclipse is going to give you hope after a long period of despair. Believe in your spirituality and believe in the higher power. Maybe on Sunday, maybe during the eclipse, you feel very bad, you feel very low, but please understand that is just a passing time. Things will become better for you in the future. The next zodiac sign we are going to talk about are the Aquarians. Let's see what guidance tarot is giving for Aquarians for the solar eclipse. What do they really need to do? Well, the Aquarians, don't brainstorm and take care of younger member of the family. You will have lots of ideas. You may get a good news that you had not expected during the eclipse period, and also you may have some aches and pains. So don't expose yourself to sunlight, of course. That is a precaution for everyone, but specifically for Aquarians, don't expose yourself to that sunlight. The last sign we are going to talk about is the Pisceans. Let's see what guidance Pisceans are being given. Pisceans, for you the solar eclipse is a time of letting go, relax, freedom. This solar eclipse is positive for very few signs, and Pisceans are one of them. They feel relaxed, they feel that it is a period of rest, and they feel that they can do better in their lives. They can explore more vistas. This is what the guidance of the tarot is for Pisceans. Well, thank you very much, friends. That was all from the tarot by Rachel.